right, so did we get the warm up complete? Okay, you didn't read directions. What did directions say, Baby J?
Use the digits 0 to 9 to write an expression with a value as close as possible.
It says use each number one time.
Oh.
You use the same number every time. You use 4 5 times. Because it's 4, 4, 4, 4 divided by 4. What have we come up with, folks? Tell me.
I had 0, 2, 5, and 9.
Okay.
0 plus 2 is 2.
Okay. So what did you when you add those together? You got
16.
okay. So it looks like a 6, but I see the 1 now. Okay. So 16 divided by 4 is that 4?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay. Yes.
1, 4, 6, and 5, 16.
So there's multiple ways you can answer these questions, right? Multiple ways. Okay. Excellent. Yes.
6, 3, 2, and 5.
Fantastic. Okay. All right. So any questions about those? Okay. So let's look at. We got a bunch of fun questions here. Okay. So we're gonna look at this right here, page right here first. Okay. About a preschool teacher. She got some block. Can you put your feet back, please? Thank you. A preschool teacher is rearranging 4 boxes of playing blocks so that each box contains an equal number of blocks. Currently, each box has as follows: box 1 32, box 2 18, box 3 41, box 4 9. Okay. All right. So, what's our dilemma here, Baby J? What is our ultimate goal of trying to complete here? What is this preschool teacher wanting to do?
Have the same number of blocks.
Pardon? Pardon?
Have the equal number of blocks.
Okay, so she wants to have the equal number of blocks in every box, right? Okay, so how is she going to be able to complete that task, Grace?
Take blocks away or restart.
Okay,
And take blocks and add them to different.
so she's going to rearrange the contents of them, right? Okay, so when it says an equal number of blocks in each box, Colin, what is she trying to find in essence? Her ultimate goal in truthfully, what is she trying to find? In other words, okay. So how does that relate to what we're doing? You're trying to find an equal amount of blocks in every box. How does that pertain to what we're doing? What is she trying to find? Okay, we done said that. An equal amount in every box. Okay, it states that. So what mathematical term or terms is she really trying to find? Okay, Sarah, what is she trying to find in mathematical terms? There's a word or 2 or 3 that tells us what she is trying to find in essence. Ryan, help me out here.
Rearrange.
Okay, no, I want a mathematical vocabulary word that she is trying to find when it says she is trying to find an equal amount of blocks in every box. Colin, the what? Average, or what do we use? What's another word that we use? Mean. Okay, so she's trying to find the mean. So when it's got an equal number of blocks in every box, what's that mean, Grace? Every box is going to have what?
The same amount.
Same amount. Okay. So let's go back to our problem here on the front, the warm-up page. Basically, if we had 4 boxes with the numbers that you put on each blank, what is the average of those boxes, Ryan?
What?
Grace? If each one of those blanks was a number of blocks in a box, in essence, we're finding the what of every box, right? So what would be the average or the mean of every one of those boxes?
4.
4. Okay. Now, does every one of them have 4 in it? No. But our average, or to get an equal amount in there, that's how we do it. It's the same process. Okay. Now, our dilemma is We got some bigger numbers, and they're blocks, not just random numbers. Okay. So any questions on here? Instead of just adding the numbers up and divide it, we've got some scenarios that some different things that she did to be able to find the average. She didn't just add all the numbers up and say, "Oh, this is the number of blocks," does it? She's actually moving things in different scenarios going on. Do we see that? And her task is to see which moves gives us the what?
Mean.
Gives us the mean. Okay? Because she's doing different things. Some of them are right. That gets the mean. Some of them don't give you the mean, right? You gotta determine which one does and which one doesn't. Okay. All right. So any question about any of those? Okay. So make sure that we complete these tasks. There's only like 3 or 4 of them. Ain't that many. Make sure you do the exit ticket by the end of the day or first thing in the morning. This is got to be able to do that. Okay. This is the last page. Okay. Any question on our objectives? All right. Fantastic. Jet.